Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Have you ever wondered why wealthy individuals often set up trusts? Fascinating, isn't it? Now, you might think that trusts are only for those with colossal wealth. However, that's a common misconception. Trusts can offer considerable advantages to a wide range of individuals, especially entrepreneurs and business owners. Before we delve deeper, let's start with the fundamentals. A trust is a legal arrangement where one person or entity known as the trustee holds assets for the benefit of others, who are referred to as beneficiaries. Imagine a trust as a secure treasure chest that not only holds your assets but also provides plenty of additional benefits. One of the significant advantages of setting up a trust asset protection. For instance, if you're a business owner and your company is suddenly faced with a lawsuit, assets placed within a trust are generally shielded from such legal actions. This aspect of trusts provides immense security, wouldn't you agree? A trust isn't merely a safe haven for assets, it's a strategic tool. It plays a pivotal role in estate planning. It ensures that you can control the dissemination of your assets to your loved ones in the event of your demise. For example, you can tailor your trust to ensure that your teenage daughter doesn't lavish her entire inheritance on designer clothes once she comes of age. Now, who doesn't appreciate some tax benefits? It's interesting to note that trusts can also provide certain tax advantages. In specific types of trusts, the income generated from the trust's assets can be taxed at a lower rate. Lower taxes mean more money in your pocket and greater financial freedom. To bring the concept of trusts closer to reality, let's consider a hypothetical example. Take Jane, a successful entrepreneur who has worked tirelessly to build her business over the years. She is keen on safeguarding her business assets and ensuring that her hard-earned wealth is well protected. By setting up a trust, Jane can not only insulate her business assets but also meticulously plan for her estate's future. She might even get to enjoy some tax benefits. It paints a picture of a win-win-win situation, doesn't it? Trusts, as you can see, are not exclusive to the immensely wealthy. They are a potent tool that can provide financial security and peace of mind to individuals from diverse financial backgrounds. So, whether you're a small business owner just starting your entrepreneurial journey, a startup founder working on the next big idea, or a seasoned entrepreneur navigating the complexities of business ownership, setting up a trust could be a strategic move for you. The world of trusts is profound and offers immense potential. It's much more than just a legal arrangement. It's a financial strategy that can bring about remarkable changes, especially for entrepreneurs and business owners. Setting up a trust can be a game changer, especially for entrepreneurs and business owners. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the process of setting up a trust in our next scene. Setting up a trust might seem complicated, but it's a straightforward process when broken down into steps. Embarking on this journey requires a clear roadmap that highlights all the pivotal points. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the core details. To grasp the concept fully, you must understand the key players involved in a trust. These include the truster, the trustee, and the beneficiaries. The truster refers to you, the individual who's creating the trust. It is your initiative and your vision that brings the trust to life. The trustee, on the other hand, is the person or entity entrusted with the responsibility of managing the trust. They are the shepherds, guiding and safeguarding your assets. The beneficiaries are the final recipients, the people who will eventually receive the assets stored in the trust. In certain scenarios, one person might be wearing all three hats, acting as the truster, trustee, and beneficiary. Conversely, it's quite common to appoint a trusted individual or a professional trust company as your trustee. This is particularly advisable if you have sprawling estates, vast wealth, or intricate financial affairs. Clarity in assigning these roles is pivotal from the very beginning. It sets the foundation and avoids any potential confusion or misunderstandings in the future. With the key players identified, the next step is drafting your trust agreement. This document essentially acts as the constitution for your trust. It delineates the trustees and beneficiaries, lists the assets held in the trust, and outlines how the trust should be managed. Furthermore, it defines how and when the assets should be disseminated to the beneficiaries. Drafting a trust agreement is a mammoth task, and it's not something you should rush into. The devil truly lies in the details here. A comprehensive and precise agreement prevents any misinterpretations or contentious disputes further down the line. It's at this crucial stage that a competent lawyer can prove to be an invaluable asset. Their guidance can help you navigate the dense fog of legal lingo, ensuring your trust agreement is foolproof and legally binding. After the agreement is set, it's time to your trust with substance, its assets. Funding your trust involves transferring the ownership of your assets, such as real estate properties, bank accounts, stocks, bonds, and other investment holdings into the trust. The procedures involved in these transfers can differ greatly, emphasizing the need for competent legal advice to circumvent errors. Do bear in mind, funding your trust a static one-time act. It's a dynamic process allowing you to add or remove assets as and when your financial situation fluctuates. However, once an asset enters the trust, it becomes subject to the rules of the trust agreement. Hence, it's vital to deliberate extensively before transferring an asset, particularly if the trust is irrevocable. Another integral part of setting up a trust is garnering legal advice. While there's no law barring you from setting up a trust independently, it's not generally advised unless you're well-versed in trust and estate planning. The legal landscape is riddled with intricacies, and a small hiccup could lead to serious ramifications. Hence, consider hiring a lawyer who specializes in trusts and estates. Their expertise can help you navigate the labyrinthine process and avoid potential pitfalls. Remember, trust creation is a continuous process requiring regular reviews and consistent management to ensure it aligns with your evolving needs and objectives. Changes in your personal circumstances, financial status, or even the law could influence your trust. Hence, periodic consultations with your lawyer and financial advisor are invaluable. And that's it. You've now set up your trust. Remember, trusts are practical tools designed to manage your wealth, protect your assets, and provide for your loved ones. But they're not a magic bullet. Every trust is unique, mirroring the individual or family it's designed for. Thoroughly understand your options, seek professional advice, and tailor your trust to your specific needs. Keep it updated to reflect your changing circumstances. Now, you're not just setting up a trust, you're setting up a legacy. Enjoy the journey. So, what have we learned today about setting up a trust? Setting up a trust is much more than a status symbol. It's a strategic tool for asset management and protection. Regardless of one's financial standing, everybody can benefit from this. Trusts serve as a safeguard for your wealth, protecting it from possible hazards such as probate, creditors, or even family disputes. More than that, trusts allow you to determine how your assets will be distributed after your demise, ensuring your loved ones are cared for as per your desires. Setting up a trust involves identifying your goals, choosing the right trust type, drafting the trust document, and transferring your assets into the trust. But it's not a simple process. It can be complex and demands careful thought and planning. It isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, and each person's situation calls for a bespoke approach. That's why getting legal advice is crucial. A consultation with an estate planning attorney can navigate you through the complexities of setting up a trust. To sum up, setting up a trust is a strong tool for managing and safeguarding your assets, offering control, security, and peace of mind. Remember, setting up a trust is a strategic move for wealth management and protection. It's not just for the rich and famous, it can be a smart choice for anyone, including you.